Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online class of EVS. Okay, I hope you all are fine at your home, isn't it? Yes, good. So students, till now we have completed 2 chapters. That is, the first chapter is Me and My Body, and second chapter, Living with Family. So these 2 chapters we have completed. Okay, now I hope that you have understood these 2 chapters very well. If you are having any doubt, any problem, okay, you can note it down in your copy and ask later when school reopens. Okay, now one more thing I want to inform you that I have uploaded answers of worksheet of lesson number 1 on the website lfsrnonline@gmail.com. In copy, you have to write only question answer and homework part. Only 2 things you have to do in the copy. That is, answer these questions and your homework part. Fine. Rest all exercises like fill in the blanks, tick the correct answers, give one word, true, false. Everything you have to do in your book itself. Clear? In copy, you have to write only question answer and homework. Whatever homework will be given, that you have to do in the copy. Fine. Okay. So students, today I am going to start lesson number 3. Lesson 3. And the name of lesson number 3 is We Care. We Care. In this lesson, you will be taught about 4 topics: being a good neighbor, spending time with the friends, people who need special care, and 4, care for pets. So today we will discuss only 2 topics. The first topic is being a good neighbor. Okay, so all of you, dear students, open lesson number 3. And the name of lesson number 3 is We Care. Going to read page number 21, all of you. Please open page number 21. I am reading, you just listen carefully. In your book, we must take care of friends, yes, relatives, neighbors and pets like our own family member. Yes, it is very true that we take care of our friends, our relatives, our neighbors, our pets like our own family member, and we can live happily only when everyone around us is happy. We also live happy when everyone around you is happy. At that time you will also feel happy, or you will also be happy. Now our first topic is being a good neighbor. First I am going to read, after that I will explain. Neighbors play an important role in our lives. Yes, exactly. Neighbors, they are the most important persons, those who lives near our house and we should invite and welcome them into our homes. We should join in celebrations of our neighbors. Good neighbors always help one another in times of need. Yes, this is also true that whenever any need is there, we have to help them without thinking anything. Okay, so we share our joys and sorrows with them. A good neighborhood also provides security and protection. We must be good to our neighbors. We must not disturb them. We must keep our neighborhood neat and clean. So, dear students, we are human beings. We are human beings and we live in a society, and hence we need each other help. Many a times we need each other's help many a times. We are human beings, yes, of course, and we live in a society and we need others' love, care, help many a times. So we must take care of our friends, our relatives, our neighbors, like our family members. Be happy and make those who are around you also be happy, because neighbors play an important role in your lives. Clear? We share joy and sorrow. We must be good to our neighbors. We should, yes, join in the celebration of our neighbors. So students, we should not disturb our neighbors and keep our neighborhood very neat and clean. Fine. So, being a good neighbor, first, what you have to do? You have to take care of your friends, your relatives, your pets, like your family member. You have to welcome and invite your neighbors at your homes. We have to join in the celebration of your neighbors, whether it is a happy or joy or sorrow. You have to share with your neighbors, and you have to keep your neighborhood neat and clean. Clear? Now, going to read our second topic, that is spending time with friends. Second topic, spending time with our friends. Going to read again. We go to school every day. Yes. In this school we study, play, enjoy with our friends. We also share our food with them. Children in the neighborhood are also our friends with whom we spend our free time. Together we play different games, have fun, recreations. The games we play are mainly two types or two kinds, that is indoor game and outdoor game. So, first tell me, what is friends? Who are your friends? Yes, friends are the person, are our companions. Friends are our companions. We play, we study, we talk, okay, we share, we do many things with our friends. They are very important person in everybody's life. It is very difficult and boring to live without friends. So friends with whom you are going to school, with whom you are playing, with whom you are doing each and everything, they are your friends. They are your companions. Okay, you can share your joys and sorrows with them. And really it is very difficult and very boring without having friends. So now clear who is your friend? Fine. Now children, in this paragraph, one paragraph is on games. Okay, so games which we play with our friends are mainly of two kinds. Games, that is, first is indoor games, and second is outdoor games. Indoor games and outdoor games. Now further we will study what is indoor game and what is outdoor game. So come to the next paragraph on page number 21 only. Games played inside a house are called indoor games. Fine. The games which we played inside our house are called indoor games. Now tell me, what are indoor games? Ludo, carom, chess, okay, snake and ladders, same thing. Video games and table tennis are indoor games. Many games are there. Table tennis, Ludo, chess, carom. So these are called indoor games because these games are played inside the house. Now what is outdoor game? Outdoor games, now turn the page, students. Turn the page. Games play outside a house are called outdoor games. Those games which is played outside a house is called outdoor games, like cricket. For the boys, favorite game, cricket. Badminton, football, hockey, lawn tennis are some outdoor games. Volleyball for the girls, basketball. So these games are called outdoor games. Fine. What is indoor games and what is outdoor games? Indoor games played inside the house. Outdoor games played outside of the house. So we should play games carefully. We should obey the rules of the game. While playing the game, you have to follow these steps. Like, we should play games carefully. We should obey the rules of the game. Obey the rules of the game. Second, we should play fair game. We should take care of our co-players. We should never cheat. We should never cheat or quarrel while playing. Okay, we should accept our victory or defeat in the game. This is the most important thing that you have to remember when you are playing any game with your friends. What? That is the most important thing. You should accept your defeat or your victory. Okay? In the game. Accept your defeat or victory in the game. And we should inform our parents or elders if someone gets hurt. 6th point. Inform if you get hurt while playing. Now these are the steps which you have to take care while playing. The first one, obey the rules of the game. Okay. Second, we should play fair games. Third, you have to take care of your co-players. Never cheat or quarrel while playing. Accept your defeat and victory in the game. And the 6th one, inform your parents if you get hurt while playing. So these two topics, being a good neighbor and second, spending time with friends. These two topics, I hope you understood. Now children, picnic. Have you gone picnic? Okay. Have you enjoyed a picnic? No. Fine. Yes. I think you have gone and enjoyed also. You have gone to zoo also. You have seen many zoos. So here the 4 lines are there. Going on a picnic is a great fun. And in picnic, with whom you are going? Yes, of course, with your friends you are going. So going on a picnic is a great fun. We should leave the picnic spot clean and tidy behind. Okay. On that place where you go, if you going on a picnic, okay, after returning from that spot, you have to make the place neat and tidy before leaving that place. Visiting a zoo. Visiting a zoo. Many of you have seen zoo, I know. So visiting a zoo is also a great source of joy. Enjoying picnic is a great source of joy. Visiting a zoo is also a great source of joy. So we get a chance to watch rare animals and birds in the zoo. We should remember not to tease them. Okay, fine. If you will get chance to, or if you will get an opportunity to go for a picnic, what you have to do before leaving that picnic place, spot? You have to ensure that the place which you have used is neat or tidy. If not, then you have to clean it and then leave that place. Visiting a zoo. When you are visiting a zoo, what you see? Of course, rare animals, rare birds. Okay, so you have to remember while visiting a zoo that no need to tease the animals. No need to tease the animals. Like this, we care each other. Like this, we are able to care each other. So children, 2 more topics are there. Those topics we will continue in the next session. This much is enough for today. So take care at your home. Be happy. Stay safe. Bye. Thank you.